Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW X6 oil service light. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the mechanic. We'll cover the simple steps to get your vehicle's maintenance reminder cleared, ensuring your car accurately reflects its service status. Keeping up with oil changes is vital for your engine's longevity and performance. First, make sure your BMW X6 is completely off, then insert the key into the ignition. You'll need to locate the small button on your instrument cluster, often used for trip reset. Now, turn the ignition on to the accessory position, but do not start the engine. This prepares your vehicle's system for accessing the service menu. With the ignition on, press and hold the instrument cluster button for several seconds until the service menu appears on your dashboard display. Briefly press the button repeatedly to scroll through the various service items until you find the oil service indicator. Once you see the oil service option, press and hold the button again to select it. After selecting the oil service option, you will see a prompt asking if you want to reset. Press and hold the instrument cluster button one more time to confirm and initiate the reset. The display will show a confirmation message, such as "Reset Successful." Finally, turn off your ignition, then restart the car to ensure the oil service light is no longer illuminated on your dashboard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.